Still go.
We have to go. Look, the cars are coming now. We're going now. Right. Okay.
Should I not have gone?
You should have gone quickly.
Oh.
I'm going to be turning right at the traffic light, please. Right at the traffic light. We'll talk about it in a minute, okay?
Yeah.
So you know what you're doing there, don't you?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. So signal was only green, isn't it? There was no filter arrow right, so we should be stopping in the middle. So anybody else coming straight? What's the traffic light is doing?
Red,
So what do we do then?
Still go.
We have to go. Look, the cars are coming now. We're going now. Right. Okay.
Should I not have gone?
You should have gone quickly.
Oh.
Crossroad junction, we're turning right. Now, when we were approaching, you and I, we both saw green filter arrow light was on. But when we approached, before we left our stopping line, that filter arrow light was still on. Was it disappeared?
When we was approaching?
Yeah.
Still there.
Okay. So as you pass the stopping line, and now you're in the middle, then what happened? Was it gone?
Red.
It didn't went red. No. So the filter arrow light turned off. Only the green light remains on. So you have the full circle green line.
Yeah.
And the filter arrow line. If you got a filter arrow, what does a filter arrow benefit you? How would that help you? What does that mean if you're going right?
You can go.
So you can turn without stopping because other people traffic is their light is red. However, if the filter arrow is turned off and only the green light is on, and now you are in the middle, so you have to stop. Now, because you have already committed, fine. What we still have to go and stop in the middle,
Yeah.
which we
I
did.
did, yeah.
Now, this green light left is now turned red, and we are in the middle of the road.
Still go, wouldn't you?
You very quickly to go, because when the traffic light, which is facing ahead oncoming, and our lane goes red, the traffic light on your right and the left road, what happened to them? There goes green. If we stays in the middle like we did, what is the risk you were taking that time? Would they able to cross us?
No,
They
they'll be able
don't.
to get round you.
So what lessons learned from this? So if you are in the middle and you committed yourself,
And there's no cars coming from here.
that's one option. So if the no cars coming, what would you do? Go.
Go straight through.
What if the traffic light goes red? What would you do?
Because you're committed, just keep going.
You need to go quickly as well.
To them.
If the green filter arrow light is on, then of course you don't need to stop. However, there is one thing I would clear to you. If you look on this picture here, you got a yellow box over there, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
The only time you wouldn't enter, so if you got a yellow box on and the road you're turning into and the traffic is not moving, would you gonna enter the yellow box junction?
If you've got a filter light.
But the traffic the road you're going into, the traffic is not moving, the traffic is chock-a-block,
You
then
don't
you
hold
don't
back.
enter there. Yes, that's one more thing to remember that.
Yeah.